Wednesday. Thank you for joining me. Well, I have to tell you, I'm feeling a little extra today. We had a big snow last night. It is cold and dreary outside, and your girl needs some color. Now, if you know, you know. If you're a maximalist, once you get the itch to be a little extra, you have a really hard time throwing the brakes on. I know I do, because I just want to keep going. So today I'm going to be decorating the baker's rack just around the corner, and I want to add some warmth. I want to add some light. I want to add some yellow. I want it bright and cheery. That's the look I'm going for on this cold, snowy day. I have brought up all my decor. It's all on the dining room table, and I'm a little overwhelmed because I'm like, where do I start? Where do I go? So we're going to have some fun playing. I may put something out, I may take it away down the line and put something else in its place. I don't know where I'm going with this. I have an idea. Didn't plan for this today. I've been so busy, you guys, so busy. So let's see what I do. I'm going to take you down, show you the baker's rack, and then we'll begin. By the way, the baker's rack is from Amazon. Very budget friendly. Oh, it's a little dark in this corner. I'm gonna drag my light ring over here in just a moment. But here's the baker's rack. It comes with this. You just plug this in down below, and then you can plug whatever you want into it. I know a lot of these baker's racks are used for coffee bars, wine bars, purely for decorating, for extra storage. It's super cute, and it has the crisscross design on both sides. So I'm going to try to conceal the wires because that will drive me bonkers. But I have a lamp. I don't know if I'm leaving it there or I'm going to raise it. So let's get started. Now, because there are 9-foot ceilings, I can afford to go tall. So I'm going to go in with this. I found this on Target's website. I just like it. It looks like a little window. I'm thinking of elevating the lamp to the top shelf. I did that at my loft apartment in Pittsburgh, and I loved it. I love it. It draws your eyes up. So as you all know, in decorating, layering is the key to having a pretty vignette. Adding different textures is key. So here you see a boxwood wreath. And although it's beautiful on its own, I'm going to pop in a yellow wreath, a different texture from Target. Wait till you see the difference. Look how this fits into the wreath. I love the different colors of green. I love the pop of yellow. It really pops. So I'm going to place that on the top shelf. I'm going to try to put it in the center. So I could just sit it there and it looks pretty, or I could take a little thumbtack, stick it right there, and hang the wreath right in the center. But I don't know, I really love the detail of that architectural piece. So I feel like if I did that, I'd be hiding it. All right, next, I have this little white vase from Walmart, eucalyptus stems from Amazon, these little yellow pom-pom flowers from Target. This is what I'm going to do to add a little height and yet more pops of yellow on this cold, snowy day. I'm going for a garden-esque, herby feeling to it. So I have this sign, it says herbs. It was from Home Goods years ago. Night after night, can we forget about time? 'Cause I wanna adore you. Oh, I wanna make you mine. This little area gets sunlight in the afternoon. So I'm gonna actually add some herbs. I'm gonna add this and some mint. Okay, the next couple of items I'm going to show you, unfortunately, I cannot link. I tried to find similar items on Amazon. I probably can for the wreaths, but not this. I tried, and I was getting artichoke candle holders and things like that. But over the weekend, we went to this really, really nice boutique. I mean, the vignettes were so gorgeous. I was getting so many ideas. However, as I looked around this store, I'm like, that's from Amazon. That's from Amazon. That's from Amazon. Realized that different stores can get their merchandise at market from different places. So I understand that. But there was like this beautiful set of 3 candle holders that I've seen on Amazon. And I simply asked the lady, I said, did you get those from Amazon? Because the markup was insane. Absolutely insane. And she goes, Amazon? No. Are you familiar with Antique Farmhouse? I said, yes, I am. And she said, it's in that line of decor, and they're very expensive. I said, well, ma'am, I've seen those on Amazon in a set of 3, and they are far less expensive. The set of 3 candle holders was $243 for the set. Just insane. Whereas on Amazon, I think you can get them $60-ish, I believe. Anyway, she did not like the fact that I inquired and swore that you can't get it on Amazon. And I said, no, I know, like we were going back and forth. I'm like, no, you can. It's like she didn't want the people in the store to think her items were from Amazon. I mean, oh, heaven forbid. That decor is far beneath what she offered. And so I didn't get those candle holders. But she kept talking to us the whole time we were there. And just to get out of the store, I grabbed this, not even knowing the price. $58 for this. It's lightweight. It's really cute. It looks like it's, distressed. You can find these at Home Goods in the past for $14.99. I mean, really, $58. I got another one. You're going to see that was $53. Then I got the wreaths. Didn't even look at the prices. When I walked out of that store, I was at $200 and something. So I will not recommend that store, nor will I recommend the store owner, because she was very pretentious. And she said, my stuff is not Amazon stuff. That's not my caliber of customers. I looked at my husband after she walked away and I'm like, how rude. I'm like, let's get out of here. So anyway, as much as I love this, now when I think of this, I'm thinking of that pretentious lady. How rude. I'm not going to say the store name. I'm not going to do that. But beautiful store, beautiful vignettes, just way, way overpriced for what you get. And I know my stuff. I know my decor. And I'm telling you, a lot of it was Amazon decor, marked way up. Anyway, back to decorating. As you all know, layering is key. So this is what I'm going to do with this beautiful little planter. By the way, this is another wreath that I got from her store. What I loved about it was the wispiness. It looks very authentic. So I was playing with the stuff in the store. The lady actually liked what I was doing. And anyway, I put it on here like this. And then when I got home, I thought, what could I do to amp it up? As you can see, we've got yellow up there. Shared these little yellow flowers last week that I got on Amazon. So I thought I could kind of snug this in push it down. So I just want you to see. I just brought it through the wreath and boom. I have a darling little arrangement full of texture and color and a pop of green. I have a wood riser from Amazon. We need to conceal this. And look how pretty this looks. I'm going to add this really cute tray from Amazon, and I'm using a plate holder. Okay, so the reason I went here with my arrangements is because I wanted to go diagonally. And now I want to add a little something right there. Amazon, you can get a basket set of 3 really cute scalloped baskets with handles. So I'm going to try to incorporate these somehow into this look. So I just decided to elevate this pot on a little riser from Amazon. I think it's kind of cute. And it lifts it up just a tad. It also gives it a little more character as opposed to just sitting on the wood. So I just left that tipped. I kind of like how that looks, just sitting there. On the next shelf, this really cute scallop tray from Walmart. These 2 planters from Walmart, and this little yellow arrangement from Walmart. And I'm just stacking them. I just like the look. And then beside that look, in the basket, I'm going to add this planter and arrangement. So change of plans, I decided to put this little yellow arrangement in there. I just think it looks so cheery and cute. And now I just put those 2 planters there. I'll pop a green and white, and then I'll pop this one next to it. Down below, I have this faux moss and basket. I'm going to take this boxwood ball and tie that darker, deeper green into this planter. Okay, next I have this little wire cloche set that I got on Amazon. And I just placed those little yellow flowers that are right there in here. I have 2. And then I have another one of these, smaller. They come in a set. I'm not sure they're available, but I'm going to set them down below. So here is the end look. Maximalist style. I forgot to mention, I got this little guy on Amazon. He is so cute. You can put florals in here or a topiary ball, and he is so adorable. All right, I'll see you Friday. Mwah.